Hi everyone, it's Golson 2004. We got another package from the mail. It's time to open it up. And let's see. Thank you. And it's Ryan. Ryan, I'm just happy to have Ryan. Okay, let's open him up. Very easy. Be good. So here is Ryan. Really like his face. And the Great Northern Railway. And since it's a cold day, Ryan is cold. You do some detailing there. If I get more characters, if I get Skiff, Sailor John, and some other characters, I can try to remake Saving Pirate Ryan, but I have to have permission from Thomas Wooden Railway. And that YouTuber's cool. He did a great job with Ryan in the series. So, that's Ryan, the Great Northern Engine, and I'll see you guys later.